In wine there is wisdom, in beer there is freedom, and in water there is bacteria. Hello everyone, welcome back to Yshana y Leo in Cabo. Today we are not in Cabo, we're actually in La Paz, which is a beautiful town about 2.5 hours drive away from Cabo. And we are here checking out Casa 1880, which is a beautiful members-only boutique hotel right here in the center of La Paz. So, what does this hotel have to offer? Well, being a members-only hotel, it means that it's very intimate. As you can probably tell from the background, this place is extremely elegant and sophisticated. It's got an amazing pool right here in the courtyard. We've got some beautiful stairs up to the second floor of the hotel. These really funky umbrellas which elude the elegance of Casa 1880. It's got a black and white theme, which for me always represents luxury and elegance. As you walk into those black doors outside, you step into a new world. What Casa 1880 wants to do is invite people from around the world who want to connect and come to a safe space where they can enjoy luxury, where they can, meet with their team, where they can work, where they can co-work, where they can inspire and create under one roof. Now, how does Casa 1880 make that happen? We have a number of amazing amenities here. As you step through those black doors, you have a French bistro, Parisian style chairs. They have an amazing salon with a TV room and a chill out space with games where you can have, meetings, you can have lunch with friends, with family. You can even rent this place. Any single member can come here while they're in La Paz, use the premises, you don't have to stay. Use the conference room, enjoy the bistro, enjoy the pool, enjoy the courtyard. And I think what really makes this place special is the unique attention and personalized service. Ari, who is the manager here, is from Chile. He treats every single guest like family, and Leo and I are having an absolute blast. We've become friends, we've enjoyed games, we've enjoyed meals together. If you want to be a member, it's very simple. Click on the link down below, fill out the form, and wait for Ari, the amazing manager, to contact you and organize a personalized one-to-one visit right here in the hotel to understand you and make sure that you become a member and are very, very quickly available to enjoy this amazing premise at your disposal. So guys, without further ado, we're going to take you on a very amazing tour of the hotel. We really hope you enjoy, and we're looking forward to inviting the space and hoping that a lot of you guys watching are going to become members. Thank you.
Amigos, we are arriving at Casa 1880 here in La Paz, couple blocks from Malecon. Over here, they give you this nice key, electric, to enter. That's it. Welcome home. Welcome to Casa 1880. Come in. Guys, we're gonna show you one of my favorite places here in Casa 1880. It's the Explorer Salon. This feels like a James Bond 007 salon. Guys, the coolest thing about this salon, look at this. It's not the books on the cover, but
It's time to show you the bistro. Let's go inside. Entering in these black doors into the Parisian bistro of La Paz. Come with me. You can see at the ceiling we've got this mosaic style black with grey ceiling, and then the walls are adorned with these amazing Parisian style lifestyle portraits of cool looking people. So when you're sat here having your brunch or your dinner or your coffee, you really feel like you're playing the part. I absolutely love the design of this bistro. It just feels so chic, so plush, so luxurious. The lighting as well. But let me show you the special area for music. Oh wait, before we show you the special area for music. In wine there is wisdom, in beer there is freedom, and in water there is bacteria. This amazing quote, Benjamin Franklin, as you very well know, Casa 1880 is all about intellectuals with passionate ideas. Following over here, this is the bar. This is where the magic happens. We have got cocktails of all shapes and sizes for you guys. Coming to this bistro, you are treated like the royalty that you really are. And guess what we've got over here? A piano. Now, unfortunately, I don't play the piano, so I'm not going to bore you with trying to. But, you know, I will say that music classes at school did teach me one thing, and it's just... Coming through here, we arrive into the most retro, vintage, sexy black kitchen I've ever seen in my life. If I could have a kitchen design like this, trust me, I would. Wink, wink. Look at these amazing taps. I mean, it just reminds me of like the interior of a boat. I think it's fantastic. We have got the coolest retro fridge with these amazing funky handles. And this is where your lunches, your breakfast, and your dinner are being cooked up and served for you either in the bistro, the main salon, or outside. So let's go inside the main salon. The salon space is perfect for co-working, for enjoying a cup of tea, for watching a movie. It's really your space to define what makes it yours. As you see, someone was working right now. Coming outside to the main courtyard, then we have an amazing space. This space is great for events, for having, you know, some food, for chatting with your friends, for connecting, for catching up. It's covered by the sun, so don't worry about getting a sunburn. And our favorite part, obviously, is a beautiful pool with the staircase up to the second floor of the hotel.
Here at Casa 1880, all our members, you can enjoy events like pizza nights with your friends, or you can come do a barbecue on the weekend. If you're staying here as well and you want to go to Malecon, we have the golf cart, which actually we will drive you to Malecon. If you want to be a little bit more extreme and take couples scooters downtown, check the Malecon, more than happy.
You ready? He's not ready, guys. Are you black or are you white? Let's do rock, paper, scissors to figure out who plays which side.
I am. Hey, please. Whitey.
I want to be black though.
Huh?
I want to be black.
You wanna be black?
I'm literally in black. Like I fit the part.
To you, I was leaving you the white ones, but if you prefer black, I mean, I'm gonna beat you anyway.
Fine,
so
fine.
Which ones do
I'll
you
be
wanna
white.
lose?
I'll be white. Right.
Go ahead.
Guys, stay tuned because in this video, you are going to see the most legendary life-size chess match. No violence involved. This isn't Harry Potter. All right, guys, let's go.
Oh my god, guys, look at how wonderful way of winning a chess match. My pawn advance in one, and this is called checkmate. This is what happens when you play chess with a Mexican.
Good game, my friend. Next one I will win.
Guys, hope you enjoyed and like Casa 1880.
We hope to see you here very soon. If you're interested in becoming a member, you know what to do. Fill out the short form down below and Ari will get in touch with you personally to organize a meeting right here in the hotel. You guys aren't going to want to miss out on this opportunity. It's a beautiful space, uniquely yours, ready for you.
Guys, you want to check out Casa 1880? Click the link and book your stay. Enjoy.
Bye.